My gosh, ladies, who said you could not wear crochet braids with thin hair? Well, I am going to show you a new method using my custom frontal. Yes, my custom closure is going to give her a full look that's luxurious, seamless, and it doesn't take as much time as a traditional crochet braid hairstyle. Oh my gosh, look at the results. The results are absolutely amazing. It is flawless. No one will ever know that she had any thinning or any hair loss in the front. You must continue to watch to see how this beautiful style was accomplished. You are struggling or stressed out about your edges and your edges look like this, and you are looking for a good protective style, well, this is the video for you. Yes, my client here, she was worried about her edges, but these results, they shocked her. Yes, they shocked her completely, because as you can see, she does have some thinning around the front, around her edges, and at the top. So let's jump into this video. So as always, you ladies know I start off by hydrating and moisturizing all my clients' hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter stands for grandmother and granddaughters, as we produce this formula especially for those with hair loss, with thin hair, with thin edges, with short hair. Yes, it is infused with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, olive oil, just to name a few. Yes, it is packed with all the essential oils that are needed to help promote hair growth. So after hydrating and moisturizing her hair really well, not just her scalp but her hair as well, I go into my brushing method. Yes, I go in and I love on my client's hair, and I brush those edges, I brush the middle, I brush the ends, I brush the shaft of their hair, and I make sure that I am stimulating these hair follicles, because yes ladies, that's what we need to do, stimulate these hair follicles to promote hair growth. And as you can see, I am gently stroking her roots, the ends of her hair. I am going in the center, as you can see here, and for the length of the video I just cut it short. But yes, I brushed her hair for a minimum of 6 minutes. Please have your clients to do this. I mean, your stylist to do this when they are doing your hair. Make sure they are going in and moisturizing, hydrating, and brushing your hair. Then I went into giving her a healthy braid pattern. Yes, ladies, we want to make sure that our hair is nice and healthy under these protective styles. We want to make sure that the braid pattern that we are doing is going to be healthy and promote hair growth. So as you can see here, I did some single braids in the front because I did not want to pull her edges straight back. Again, that is going to put too much tension, stress, and pulling on her edges. So I did these singles, and then I'm going to do this method. If you have not seen this method before, ladies, please try it. It is super essential for hair growth. It reduces any pulling, any tension, again, any stress on the edges. And what I did with these singles is I did the braids in the middle going from side to side, and I'm going to take these singles and I'm just going to crochet them underneath those braids. This is going to still give me a flat finish so that the style that we create is nice and flat. That's what we want. We do not want any bulky braids. We do not want any humps or any lumps. And that's what this braid pattern is going to give you. It's comfortable for the client. Is stress relief and low tension for her edges. And again, as you can see, I'm just taking that single braid and I'm just crocheting it lightly underneath that braid, and I'm loosening it so that it is not tight and not pulling. Oh my gosh, ladies, if you have not tried this method, please try it. Show it to your stylist so they can try it as well. And as you can see on the sides of her edges, I braided those braids going down. They are not braided back. So this is what you want to do to prevent any continuous hair loss, because we want to do what? Promote hair growth, not hair loss. So after creating her a beautiful, healthy braid pattern, I went in and installed a crochet net. Yes, ladies, for the majority of my clients, I always use a crochet net or crochet hat cap. Why? Because this helps protect your natural hair. And then I'm going in with what? My custom closure. Ladies, if you have not tried my custom closure, as you can see, it is just that simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. This prevents you from having to use any glue. Once this custom closure is installed, it will not slip, slide, shift, or anything throughout the duration of your style. And you do not need to use any glue, ladies. As you can see, this one is not braided, but all you have to do is slide it on, go in, cut that lace off, as you can see I'm doing here, and you are going to have a natural looking front. Yes, this closure is going to give her the natural look that she wants. She's going to be able to wear this in various styles, and it also comes pre-braided already. So as you can see here, her closure was not braided, so I am braiding them, and I'm going to be doing singles here. The closure comes in cornrows or singles. It is your preference and your option. So this one I braided in singles because she wants a very natural look in the front. Again, this is the hair that we're going to be using. Yes, it is some boho braids. They are 14 inches long. This is a color 1B27 613. Excuse me, 1B 3027. So yes, it is a 3-color ombre on boho crochets, 14 inches. So yes, ladies, this hair is absolutely gorgeous, easy to work with. It gives you a very full look. If you don't like really full, then you need to make sure that you do not use all packs that come with the lot. From Amazon, they come in what they call lots, and it came with 8 packs. We only used 6 because she did not want it too full. The amazing thing about this custom frontal is it also gives you edges, ladies. As you can see here, this is the band, and I am just crocheting on there, and look at those edges. This is not her natural hair. It is not pulling on her natural hair. The crochets is on that crochet cap. Yes, ladies, this is absolutely amazing. Super beneficial for those with thin hair, short hair, thin edges, no edges, alopecia. And as you can see here, I am going in and crocheting mainly on that crochet cap. Again, that is the purpose of using this crochet cap, so that I am not crocheting only on her natural hair. So I will be using the net to just crochet onto, as you can see here, not her hair, just the net. And I'm going to pull that through, and it's going to be crocheted on that net and reducing any extra pulling on her natural hair, because that's what we want. We want to wear protective styles, but we also want our hair to be growing underneath, and we want as much low tension as possible. So again, as you can see here, I am filling in that closure. Yes, West Coast Finest Custom Closure is the bomb. It works. If you have not tried it, you need to try it today. The clients that have used it are super in love with it. They only want to get their hair done with it now. Our customers who have ordered it have been giving us excellent reviews. I mean, again, if you have not tried it, you need to try it. It's affordable, it's reusable. We ship out next day. As soon as the payment clears, it is shipped out, and voila! Oh my gosh, this style came out absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, again, she can wear this in multiple styles. She can wear it pulled back off of her face. She can wear a center part. She can wear a left side part. She can wear a right side part. I mean, this style was so versatile. And look at that closure in the front. Look how that looks just like her natural hair. Oh my gosh. I am so loving this. Again, You can wear it in so many different styles. My client was so happy, so excited once she seen her hair in the mirror. She doesn't have to worry about combing her hair. She doesn't have to worry about, is her hair going to slip, slide, or shift. She is not using any glue, so she doesn't have to worry about that. And look how natural it looks, ladies. Oh my gosh, again, if you have not tried it, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website and you can get your order in today for our custom closure. We also have custom frontals for those who have hair issues from ear to ear. They are also affordable, reasonable, reusable. Yes, they come in different colors as well. So look at these results. Again, this style came out absolutely gorgeous, simply beautiful. Continue to keep watching. Again, tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. And thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate all my subscribers. Please continue to support my channel by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. West Coast Finest Hair and IMT. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.